Welcome to Elk Creek Estates, one of the most desirable family-friendly neighborhoods in eastern Chilliwack. This 3-story home features 5 bedrooms, a 1-bedroom suite below, has a double-car garage, and it's got a cul-de-sac. With nature in your backyard and just steps away from Kensington Park and Trail, you will have everything you and your family will need to enjoy the outdoors in this desirable location. Added bonus, the local school bus takes this route to pick up and drop off the kids. This home features vaulted ceiling, a gorgeous open kitchen concept, 3 covered patios, a master bedroom on the main, and a ton of rec room space below. Don't forget, it also contains a 1-bedroom suite below, perfect for extra income. I'm Victoria Mejia with Royal LePage Wollstonecroft and One Real Estate Group, and we are proud to showcase this home.